Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my new puppy. Okay, so this is little, oh, big yawns. This is little Thor. He is the newest addition to the family. Oh, that was my new puppy. I had to give him to my sister because he is just like totally crazy right now. He slept for like 2 hours. Okay, so let me backtrack. So today's video is going to be like a what I got for Christmas video. I love watching these every single year. Like I literally binge them every single year, and I love seeing like all the cool things everybody got for Christmas. So this year I got a few really exciting things, so I was like, let me film it so I can share it with you guys. The puppy was actually not a Christmas gift. He's actually an early birthday gift for my boyfriend. My boyfriend has wanted a dog for like his whole life, and he made a joke on Christmas like, oh my god, you and Brian, who's his cousin, his best friend, my cousin, and he was like, you guys should surprise me. Let me fix my camera, it's like crooked. Okay, there we go. You guys should surprise, you guys should surprise me with a dog. And I took him seriously, and me and Brian surprised him with a little puppy, and he's like 9 weeks old, I think. He is a Shiba mixed with a golden doodle. So he's just like the cutest thing to like ever exist. So we're like, I've been so busy with the dog and being like a dog mom, and he's been being like a dog dad. So we have been like, we have had our hands full. So this is like the first time I've had a chance like sit down and film. So I really wanted to film this video for you guys because I just, like I said, I love these videos so much. I watch them every single year. So I really wanted to share with you guys what I got. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. So the first thing is actually from my friend Nicole. This is from the brand Kaja. This is the Two of Hearts heart-shaped lip duo. It's actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. Super pretty colors. I'm wearing this one mixed with this. Let me show you because like the packaging is blocking it. But this is what it looks like. It really is like a cute little heart-shaped lipstick. This is in the shade 03 Ride or Die. It looks like a little heart. And then this is I actually don't know what this is. What does it say? It just says Heart Melter Moisture Melt Lip Gloss Stick. So I have the lipstick, and then I have the little lip gloss stick right over it. And super pretty colors. Love that. Up next are some Vans. I love Vans. I have like 4 or 5 pairs, and I have been dying for these forever, and I just haven't bought them for myself. These are the Maroon Vans. My friend from work got them for me, and I flipping love them. I haven't even worn them yet. I'm like, I actually think I might wear them today because I'm just so excited about them. But I just think Maroon Vans are like so cute, and I love, like, this is probably one of my favorite designs. I love the laced up ones. They are my fave, the OGs. But I mean, come on, how nice are these Maroon Vans? I think they are freaking awesome. Love them. Sticking with Vans, I do have another pair of Vans to show you guys. These are actually from my best friend Michelle. These are, I have actually worn these like 4 times like to work because I was so excited about them. So they do look a little beat up, but these are just another pair of Vans. These are the slip-on ones. They are blue checkered, and over the last few months I have just been obsessing over wearing slip-on shoes to work. It makes it so much easier for me, just like, well, especially when I'm running late, I can just like slip my feet in and then be out the door. So I'm so happy to have another pair. These I am probably going to wear to death because these are my favorite work shoes. So up next is actually from my boyfriend's sister. She got me a few things, and I love all of them. So first things first, she got me the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair shampoo, along with the Briogeo Superfood, what is it? The Deep Conditioning Don't Despair Repair hair mask. I love Briogeo. I love all of their products. They're probably my like favorite hair brand. Like, it's when it comes to like repairing and just good like leave-in products and good shampoos and conditioners and masks. Like, they are my go-to, and they are perfect for if you have damaged hair, if you have colored hair, anything like that. They are great for your hair, and I love them. So I'm really excited to use this. I don't think I've ever used the Don't Despair shampoo, but I have used the mask. It's like one of my favorite masks of all time. It's so flipping good. She then got me, I'm going to show you all 3. She got me the 3 diamond set from KKW. So this is Kim's collab with her sisters. She got me the diamond ones. So they look like this. They are so frigging nice, and I love them. Like I said in I said this in like a few videos ago. I've been obsessing over Kim's fragrances and I love them so frigging much. So this is the next one. I think this is Kim's. The green one was Chloe's. Wait, the green one was, does it even say on the box? I think the green one was actually Kim's. This one is Chloe's, and this is actually, I think, my favorite. Let me smell it. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Amazing. I freaking love it. And then the last one is the red one. This is Courtney's. This is actually my least favorite one. It's not like, it's a more of like a natural smelling scent. So it's not like my fave, but it does actually smell really good and it does last a long time. Yeah, it's not that bad. But between the three, the Kim one and then the Chloe one are for sure my favorite. We're gonna stick with Kim because I did get a few other things from her. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. I got the Cozy collection. My boyfriend got this for me. I was dying for this collection to restock, and when it restocked, I was like, oh my god, you need to like get it. Like, I love it so much. I really want it. I want to see how like soft it is, and it is really soft and really just like comfy. He got me the black like little zip up thing, and then he got me the matching black pants. And I didn't get the flared ones. I got the like the cinched ones. But you guys, I've been living in this since I got it. Like, I feel like I never want to take it off. Like, I wear it all the time and it's just so comfy. And it just keeps me really warm, especially here in New York. It is like the middle of the winter, so it is pretty cold outside. So this really does keep me warm. I got them in the size extra small, and I think I got this in a small. But I wish they had maybe like one size down, like an extra small, because this is still kind of like big on me, but it does fit pretty good, and it's so freaking soft. And like, I do honestly wear it out. Like, I have no shame in wearing this outside of the house. I wear it outside of the house, in the house, and I just like, like, it's so warm and it's perfect for this time of year, like, seriously. Alright, so I actually had to take these off my feet, but Alright, so I had to take these off my feet because I was wearing them because I love them so frigging much. These are the Skims slides. So along with the Cozy collection, my boyfriend did get me the matching slides. And you guys, these are the softest slides ever. I love them so much. The bottoms are so cute. They have the little S's for Skims underneath there, and I have been living in these along with my Cozy collection. I love being cozy, and we all know 2020 was the year of cozy. Hopefully 2021 is different, but 2021 was the year of cozy. So I love these, and these are so perfect for around the house if you just need to run outside really quick. And they actually keep my feet really warm. Like, I wouldn't think that they would, especially since I'm not wearing socks, but my feet are pretty toasty up in here. So love these, and I love the Cozy collection. Oh, it's literally cozy. Next is another gift from my boyfriend. Well, these last two gifts are gifts from my boyfriend. He did get me Airpod Pros. I had the original AirPods from like when they first came out. Like, I think I got them like maybe a month or two after like they announced the AirPods, and I've had them for like, I got them in I think like 2017, so I've had them for like 3.5 years. And when I mean they were shot, they were shot. They did not work, they didn't charge, they didn't connect to my phone anymore. I used to have to like play with it a million times to get it to work, and they never ever would connect, and they didn't hold a charge. So he knew that I had been wanting them, and I'd definitely been needing them, so he got them for me, and they're right here. I already got myself a case for them. This case is actually from Velvet Caviar. I think it's how you say it, right? And so cute. I love them so much, and they are actually comfortable. They are a little bit of like an adjustment just because I was used to the other regular headphones, so these ones I kind of have to get used to, but I do love them. They are loud. They connect right to my phone like right away, and I'm just so happy that I have them. And this case is frigging everything. I love this case so much, and I love these cases because like when I'm at work, I like to clip my AirPods on like my belt loop and just like have them just in case I need to use them, and frigging love them. So happy. Like, this is probably like my favorite gift just because I needed them so desperately. Actually, one more gift that I forgot to show you guys. It's actually right behind me, that's why. So this is another gift from my friend Nicole. Let me like back up. This is a Seinfeld blanket. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys are even seeing this, but I love Seinfeld. Me and my friend Nicole love Seinfeld. We have loved it for years, and we literally just like text each other all day like Seinfeld quotes and like Seinfeld little gifs and memes and stuff. And she got me this blanket, and you guys, I died. I freaking died when she gave this to me. I was like, no freaking way. Like, it's so tacky, but it's so me. Like, I literally lay in my bed like wrapped in this. Like, you wouldn't think, because it's just like a little like regular blanket, that it would be soft, but it is like the softest thing ever. And I love it because it has like so many Seinfeld sayings that only if you're a real Seinfeld fan, like, you would like understand. Oh my god, this one's my favorite. George is getting upset. Like, this show is just, I'm actually gonna wrap myself in this blanket right now, but I love this show, and this is probably one of like my favorite gifts, just because it's so soft and it's from my favorite show. So love this one so freaking much, and I actually have it on my bed, and I use it like every single night. Like, right before I go to bed, I like cuddle up in it, and it's just, it's like the funniest blanket, and it's the coziest blanket ever. I love it. Last gift from my boyfriend. This was like my big gift from him. I really needed one, and I had been looking for months, and Apple just came out with like their new laptop. So he was like, I'm gonna get it for you because I know that you need it. And he got me the new Macbook Air. This is the 512 13-inch MacBook Air. This is their brand new, I think it's the M1 chip it's called, but this is like their new like version of their Macs where they don't have a fan in it anymore. Like I think I had, my version was like 2015. I had a MacBook Pro, and it would always like get really hot whenever I would be editing a video and exporting a video and uploading a video. And it was only 256 gigs, so I definitely needed the extra storage because of editing and whatnot. And we did like a side-by-side like right before he like decided to buy it for me, the MacBook Air compared to the MacBook Pro. The only difference was, I think, like 2 hours more of battery life, but they're the exact same computers, like the exact frigging same. So it's actually right here. I already have a case for this too. My case is also from Velvet Caviar, whatever. So this is what it looks like. This case is so cute. I wanted something that wasn't like overly like over the top, but I wanted something to really protect it, and I wanted to still be able to see the space gray because I got it in space gray. And I love this case. I love this computer. It is honestly like the best thing. Like, if you would have just got me the computer, I would have been totally fine, because it has made editing so much easier, and it's such a better performing computer than what I was working with. Even though my computer wasn't that old, I really like used and abused it for years, and I just am so happy that I now have this computer. It is frigging like so that completes this video. Those are all of the things that I got for Christmas. I did get like a few other like little knickknacks, and actually I did get a bike for Christmas that I haven't actually received yet because it's still being shipped. But yeah, and then I got like gift cards and stuff like that. So this was like all like the big stuff that I got for Christmas, and I really wanted to share with you guys. So let me know down below what you guys got for Christmas. Like, I'm so nosy. I'm always like wanting to know what everybody got for Christmas. Like I said, I binge these videos every single year. I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.